You have created a menu in your game that you can navigate through with a keyboard or a gamepad by using the select colors, but whenever you switch to your mouse and hover over the other menu items, the last selected item stays selected while the hovered one just gets highlighted. If you don't want that, then I have a possible solution for you. To fix that, we need to create a script we're going to attach to each UI element we want to select. Let's call it highlighted selector. Then in our script, we need to use UnityEngine.ui and UnityEngine.EventSystem. Also, we need to add the iPointerEnter handler interface because we need the onPointerEnter function that gets called whenever the mouse pointer enters the area of an UI element that has this script attached to it. Now let's give our script a private selectable variable, and in awake or start, we set it to the selectable component of our game object this script is attached to. Selectables are buttons, sliders, and so on, basically everything that is selectable. And now in onPointerEnter, we tell Unity that instead of highlighting, we want to select our UI element. And that's it. Now we just need to remove the highlight color for our UI element, and everything works as intended. Nice! Hey, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it useful, then why not leave a thumbs up and let me know. And if you like, you can also subscribe for more tutorials and game dev related content. And since you're already here, why not check out my other tutorials you can find in this playlist. Or if you want to see how I managed to survive my first game jam, then you can check it out here. Alright, thanks again for being here. And I hope to see you all again in my next video. Until then, ciao.